Hi guys, the mission today I will try repair this oscilloscope 100 megahertz, the power supply, selector and the main board. Some parts here hot a lot. These voltage regulators, I remove all the ground parts, all the shield parts to have access, and some parts here. I take the voltage, 5 regulators here. I think it's a regulator, voltage regulators, and these two guys hot a lot. 141, 143, and this hot a lot too is the 153. Very strange, many voltages is low, but after I remove the shield, this guy hot a lot too. I will remove